Have you ever worked on something without a contract and wondered if you will get paid? The answer lies in the fascinating principle of Quantum Meruit. Whether you're a freelancer, a contractor, or just someone curious about your legal rights, this concept could be a game changer. Quantum Meruit translates to as much as earned, and in Indian law, it ensures that no one goes unpaid for the value they provide, even if a formal agreement is missing. Today, we'll break down this doctrine in simple terms, explore real life cases, and arm you with knowledge about your rights under this legal provision. Here are the key points that we are going to discuss. First, what is Quantum Meruit? A principle ensuring payment for services rendered in the absence of a valid contract. 2. Where is it used? Common in quasi-contracts and breached agreements. 3. Legal basis. Indian Contract Act of 1872 and relevant case laws. 4. Why is it important? Protects the value of labor and services in uncertain circumstances. Let's begin with what Quantum Meruit actually means and its legal standing in India. This Latin term ensures fair compensation for work done, even if no formal contract exists. Under Indian law, it is primarily derived from Section 70 and 72 of the Indian Contract Act of 1872. These sections deal with obligations arising out of non-gratuitous acts and situations of unjust enrichment. Imagine a scenario: a contractor starts building a structure but is stopped midway due to unforeseen circumstances. The doctrine of Quantum Meruit ensures they are compensated for the work completed. Let's dive into the main features of Quantum Meruit, supported by examples. First, applicable in breach of contract. If one party breaches a contract, the non-breaching party can claim for work done. For instance, in Puran Lal Sah versus State of Uttar Pradesh, the court held that compensation could be claimed for partial performance. 2. Non-gratuitous acts. When services are rendered without an intent to gift them, the recipient is liable to pay. For example, a builder completing part of a house without a contract still deserves payment for the value of their work. 3. No valid contract. In cases where a contract becomes void or is unenforceable, Quantum Meruit applies to prevent unjust enrichment. 4. Measure of compensation. The compensation is calculated based on the market value of services or goods rendered. Here's how Indian law codifies this principle. Under the Indian Contract Act of 1872, first, Section 70, obligation of a person enjoying the benefit of a non-gratuitous act. 2. Section 72 covers liability for receiving goods or services without a valid contract. Real life cases can bring the law to life, so let's explore some key judgments. First, State of West Bengal versus B.K. Mondal and Sons. The Supreme Court awarded compensation under Quantum Meruit for work done without a formal agreement. 2. Muhammad Laikwuddin versus Kamla Devi Mishra highlighted that even a rescinded contract can give rise to a claim under Quantum Meruit. If you believe your rights under Quantum Meruit are violated, here is what you can do. First, gather evidence. Ensure you have proof of the work done, such as emails, invoices, or witness statements. 2. Approach the party. Attempt to settle the matter amicably. 3. Seek legal advice. Consult a lawyer specializing in contract law. 4. File a claim. Approach the civil court to seek fair compensation. Let's wrap up some recent developments in this area of law. In 2024, a landmark amendment proposed to the Indian Contract Act emphasizes streamlined resolution for Quantum Meruit claims, ensuring quicker compensation through arbitration mechanisms. This is a significant step to address delays in the judicial process. Quantum Meruit is your shield when contracts fail, ensuring you're fairly compensated for your efforts. Whether you're a service provider or a consumer, understanding this principle is crucial to avoid exploitation. Let's recap what we have discussed. First, Quantum Meruit ensures fair payment for services rendered. 2. It's applicable in quasi-contracts, void agreements and breaches. 3. Legal framework stems from Section 70 and 72 of the Indian Contract Act. 4. Cases like Puran Lal Sah and BK Mondal illustrate its application. 5. Always gather evidence and seek legal advice when denied fair payment. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Take care. Bye.